Alright, if you work at a company where you have turnover of employees and you use email as your main form of communication, you might want to consider implementing this process. So right here we have a way that we can fetch emails from our inbox, and we can use keywords. So let's do security alert. This will help us narrow down how many emails we're going to pull, because you probably have a bunch. This is going to grab the last 30 days worth of emails that are from my Gmail account with the keyword security alert. Does a little bit of formatting. You can see that column D was enlarged a little bit and then wrapped the text so it doesn't overflow. So now we got our emails that have been pulled in, and we want an easier way to search this. So if you've seen a previous video, I'll put it in the link above, how to make a search bar in Google Sheets. So we can just type in security alert, and then this would narrow down the search. So basically think of having thousands and thousands of emails pulled in, and then if that employee leaves, you can go through the spreadsheet and you can review the documentation. I'd recommend that you make it so the employee uploads their emails, and then that way it just kind of saves it. There's a lot of correspondence that you're using in email, and it'd be a shame if you were to lose access to all of them. We use this through AppScript, and we make some good modifications on it. Probably the biggest thing was I kept forgetting to name my sheet mails for emails, and I changed the code to check if there was a sheet. If there wasn't, it would then insert a sheet. So that was a cool improvement. Again, source codes will be included. Just click the link. Don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Thanks.